Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well, brother. So first we have to do one thing. This is just log into your Gmail account with a browser, and second you are going to do just I'll give you this kind of file. You have to copy information from here, but there will be little changes with this password. I will change the original passwords instead of this dummy password. So I'm going to copy this first link here. I'm copying it, and let's paste it in another tab in the same browser. And when it is loading, now we have to put our email address and password from this file. So I'm going to copy this info one, and I'm going to configure this one, and this two you can or except this two you can easily configure with your own device. So I'm going to copy this email address, the webmail address, and just paste it in here. And now it is time to copy the password like this. So this is not the original password. I'm copying the original password. Just stay with me. Okay, I have copied the password from another source. So I'm going to paste the password here and just log in. And after login, you have to click this allow button, and if it appears in your device, you have to allow it, and then tick this one, open my inbox when I logged in, and click on open. So this is the first step. We are done. There is one inbox message. You can see that if you click this, you will find this box also. So we do not have to do anything here. Now go back here in the personal Gmail and click on the gear icon here at the right corner. Click on it and click on see all settings, and after going here, click on accounts and import, and just scroll down a little bit, and you can see send mail as and check mail from other accounts. These two options we have to work here. So first I'm going to click on there. You will also find nothing here. Just click on add mail account, check mail from other accounts, click on add mail account, and now you have to put the webmail again, because I'm going to configure this one. That's why I'm copying this one again. Just copy and paste. You have to remember that there will be no space at the font and also at the back. So if it comes, just remove the space as well. Okay, we are done. Now click on next, and again click on next, and here we have to put the same username again. Okay, username means this email address. This is our username and this is our email address too. Okay, now if we have to copy and paste the password again, and I'm going to copy the original password. Just stay with me. Okay, I have copied the password and I'm going back to the browser. You can see the windows is gone. So where we are going to find it, just click on here, hover here, and you can find this window. Okay, now I am going to paste the password, and now we have to copy our pop server. You can find this pop server here. You can see this is the incoming server and outgoing server. There is a little line. Just copy this line from the mail dot your domain.com. Just copy this one. You remember, we do not have to copy this empty area. Okay, spaces. So it's already taken the original one, but I am removing it and I'm pasting it, so there will be no error. And here in the port, we are going to check mail from other device. That's why you can see the incoming server port is 995 or 993. We can even put these two. Either if the 993 doesn't work, we can copy the 995. Okay, so if I going back to the port, just click here, click on the 995, and we have to put this two check mark, because always use a secure connection. We want to make it okay, and label incoming messages. So it will be a create a label in the inbox area in our personal Gmail. That's why I'm checking this too. And you can see this is the username and the password I will provide you in the original password, and the pop server is here, and the port, this is the more important. And just click this too, don't click here, because it will keep a copy in our server and it will make our server very heavy day by day. So that's why I do not want to keep any messages in the server. But uh, click this too and go for add account. Okay, and if we click on here, and we have to go for yes, I want to be able to send mail as info, because by using your personal Gmail you can send to your customer your personal, not your webmail, from your personal Gmail. And if I click on next, and you have to name your uh, email, because if you want to name it your website name, let me copy it. You can name your website here, or you can name your personal name too. Okay, I'm going to put this name here and click on next step. And here SMTP server, you can know this is the SMTP server code. Now it is for the outgoing server. There is no difference between the incoming and outgoing server code. So if I click on any of them, it will be okay. And if I am going to put the server here, and now it is for the username, and remember the username is again this one. When you are going to configure this email or this email, you have to put this in everywhere as username or email. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one again, info mail, and let's paste it here. And again we are going to need the password. I'm going to copy the original password, not this one. I'll give you the original one. Okay, I copied the original password, and I'm going back here again, and let's put the password here. And now it is time for the port. So you can see the outgoing server port is 465. So if I click here, let's select 465, and the first one is recommended is okay. And now click on add account. I'm not going to save this one in my browser. So you can see congratulations, we successfully located your other server and verified your confidential. And now it will take our they send a confirmation mail to our webmail, and we have to check our inbox now. So if I go for inbox, you can see there is nothing. But if I click on this label, you can see there was no label, but it is coming now. So okay, so this is the client configuration settings, but this is not the confirmation mail. Let's wait a little bit. I think they will send it in a minute. So if you think the confirmation mail from the Gmail team is not coming, just click on the webmail and refresh it a little bit. Okay, there is no list here, no mail here. And I think they will not send you the confirmation mail, because I think uh, it is verified by default. Sometime it's verified, or sometime they will send you a link from the Gmail team like this. If I make this check, it was for another client of mine. I checked in here, they will send a confirmation link with a mail, and you have to click on this link and they will verify it, and your work is done. So if I go for compose message, there is nothing coming. So if I refresh it a little bit, let's go for the info again. You can see there is the Gmail confirmation code uh, is in here. So if I refresh it a little bit, and you have to click on there. This is our webmail dashboard, and if I click this and confirm it, and the confirmation is success. Now if I refresh it, and let's go for the inbox, I think the mail will come here too. We have to wait. This, you can see, now it is verified, and the second mail is also came here in our personal Gmail. Sometimes ago it was in our webmail dashboard. So if I refresh it, you can see that is nothing. The mail is go to your personal Gmail, and you can also confirm it from here, but no need to confirm again, because we already confirm it from our webmail. So if I go for the compose now, so you can see there is a little tick, little arrow here. So this is the personal Gmail I am using now. So if I click here, and you can see this is our webmail, we can select and we can send it to someone else, like, okay, and hi test. Okay, so if I send mail, you can see it is send mail from your webmail. This is the webmail info, and it is go to my personal Gmail. Now it is the process how you can connect your webmail to your personal Gmail. So if I go check back to my personal Gmail where I send the mail from your device, and I think it will appear in our inbox. Let's check it a little bit. So this is the my personal Gmail here. It is not coming here. Let's check it little bit. So I think it is go to the spam box, maybe. Here it is in the spam box. Sometime it comes to the spam. I will fix it later, inshallah. So you can see it is working properly. This is the webmail. I have sent it from my personal Gmail, and you can also send it from your personal Gmail. So that's it.